Most Vox-style animations you've seen took a team, a timeline, and a real budget. This one didn't. Every visual, every scene, and the voiceover, all built with free AI tools start to finish. If you've wanted to make videos like this, but assumed it was out of reach, stick around. I'm going to walk you through the exact 5-step process using tools that cost nothing. And I've already built a master prompt that does most of the heavy lifting for you, links in the description. Let's get into it. Step 1, the script. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's ready, go to the Google Docs file and copy the first prompt. It's a fairly long prompt, so make sure you copy the entire thing without missing any part. After you've copied it, go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat box, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 50 different video topic ideas for you. Take a moment to go through the list and choose the topic you like the most. For this tutorial, I'll use the world's most isolated country. Simply copy your chosen topic and paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. Next, ChatGPT will ask you how long you want your video to be. You can select any duration that fits your needs. For this tutorial, I'll choose a 1-minute video. Once you've selected the duration, ChatGPT will automatically generate a complete, well-structured script that's ready to turn into a professional video. Once your script is ready, open a new ChatGPT chat. Then go back to the Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Just like the first one, this prompt is quite long, so make sure you copy it completely without leaving anything out. After you've copied it, paste the prompt into the new ChatGPT chat and click Generate. ChatGPT will then ask you to provide your script. Go back to the previous chat, copy the script that was generated and paste it into this new conversation. Then click Generate again. In a few moments, ChatGPT will begin converting your entire script into detailed image prompts, one scene at a time. As you can see, it has converted this script into 22 individual image prompts, with each prompt representing a different scene from the video. Once all the image prompts are ready, we can move on to the next step. Step 2, the visuals. Now open Google Gemini and create a new project. Once your project is ready, go back to the new ChatGPT conversation, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into the Google Gemini prompt box. Then click Generate. In just a few moments, Google Gemini will transform the prompt into a high-quality image. Next, repeat the same process for all of the remaining image prompts. Copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Gemini, and generate the image. Depending on the length of your script and the number of scenes, this process may take a few minutes. As you can see, I've now generated images for every prompt. These are the final images that Google Gemini created, and they'll be used in the next stage of turning our script into a complete video. Step 3, animation. Now open Flow AI and create a new project. To make this process as simple as possible, I've created a universal video prompt that works with every image. Instead of writing a different animation prompt for each scene, you can use this single prompt to convert all of your images into smooth, professional Vox-style animations. First, copy the universal video prompt. Then in Flow AI, select the image you want to animate and add it to the prompt window. Paste the universal prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Flow AI will begin processing your request and turn your static image into a dynamic, cinematic animation. Now let's animate one more scene. Simply select the next image and add it to the prompt window. Then copy the universal video prompt, paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. Within just a few seconds, Flow AI will process the image and create another smooth Vox-style animated video. Repeat this same process for all of your remaining images until every scene has been turned into an animation. As you can see, I've already copied the universal video prompt, so all I need to do is select the image I want to animate, add it to the prompt window, paste the universal prompt into the Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Flow AI will create a smooth, high-quality Vox-style animation from the image. Simply repeat this same process for all of your remaining images until every scene has been turned into an animated video. Step 4, the voiceover. Now it's time to create the AI voiceover. You can use any AI text-to-speech tool you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Dubdub AI. Once you open Dubdub AI, you'll see a clean and simple interface with a large script box in the center. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the script that was generated earlier, and paste it into the Dubdub AI script box. Next, choose the AI voice that best matches your video style. Once you're happy with the voice, click Generate, then export the final voiceover and save it to your device. With your narration ready, you're all set to move on to the final editing stage. Step 5, editing. Now open CapCut and create a new project. Import all of the files you've generated, including the AI voiceover and all of the animated video clips. Start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline first, as it will serve as the foundation for your edit. Next, begin placing the video clips onto the timeline in the correct order, making sure each clip matches the corresponding part of the narration. Your visuals should always support what the voiceover is saying, so take your time to line everything up carefully. Once you're satisfied with the final edit and everything is perfectly synchronized, export your video in 4K resolution for the highest possible quality. Your professional Vox-style video is now complete and ready to upload to YouTube.
Imagine living in a country where leaving can be almost impossible, the internet is heavily restricted, and the outside world is carefully controlled. This is North Korea, one of the most isolated countries on Earth. Officially called the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, North Korea has spent decades limiting contact between its citizens and the rest of the world. But how did an entire country become so isolated? After the Korean War ended in 1953, North Korea developed a highly centralized political system under Kim Il-sung. The government built strict controls around information, travel, media, and foreign contact. Most citizens cannot freely travel abroad, and access to the global internet is extremely limited.
That's the entire pipeline: script, images, animation, voiceover, and edit. All AI-assisted, all free. If you want to go even faster, grab the master prompt in the description. It's built to walk you through every step above, without digging through this whole video again. Try it with your own topic and see what you end up with. And if you're curious how to turn this same workflow into a repeatable content system, one where you're publishing these every week, that's exactly what I'm covering in the next video. So it's worth subscribing before you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.